Ever wonder why hard tartar keeps building up in the exact same spot behind your lower front teeth? Most people write it off as a cosmetic stain. Dentists take it more seriously than that. Plaque is soft, living bacteria. Its acidity is what causes cavities. Tartar is what happens when that plaque hardens into a mineral shell. Once it calcifies, brushing can't touch it. Only a dental professional can remove it. Why the same spot every time? Salivary glands under your jaw drain right behind your lower front teeth, and that saliva carries an unusually high concentration of calcium. Meet daily plaque in that same spot, and mineralization begins. Some studies suggest early crystals can form within hours, with a large share hardening into full tartar in 1 to 2 weeks if left undisturbed. Once tartar forms below the gum line, it can cause irritation and bleeding gums create tiny openings for oral bacteria to enter your bloodstream. Researchers have found oral bacterial DNA in arterial plaque from cardiovascular patients and in joint fluid from rheumatoid arthritis patients. That's not proof tartar causes those conditions. The science is still developing, but it's a strong enough association that doctors increasingly treat oral health as part of your whole body picture. 3 things make the biggest difference. 1. 30 seconds brushing the inside of your lower front teeth, especially before bed when saliva and calcium concentrate overnight. 2. Breathe through your nose while sleeping. A dry mouth accelerates buildup. 3. Ask your hygienist to polish after any scaling, since a rough surface gives new bacteria something to grip. None of this replaces your dentist. Think of it as the daily maintenance that makes your next cleaning easier, not a substitute for one.